Hey folks, welcome back to our channel TheArcTurn. Right now I am in Sydney. This is the 1st Jan 2026, first day of the new year. I just woke up a couple of hours ago and the best part is I did watch the best firework in the world at Opera House near Harbour Bridge in Sydney. I visited my friend who is just sleeping in the next room and he is not woken up yet, but we went there at around 9:30 p.m. So we took a train from this station where he lives to Opera House, and there were literally probably a million people, and Aussies look very cool, very chilled out people. The whole event, New Year's Eve, was planned very beautifully. All the cops, all the police were so helpful, and the fireworks was tremendous. And it was literally beautiful. The moon was clearly visible, the clouds were really visible. It was a little cold outside, so the weather was just perfect for a wonderful fireworks show. And there was this tunnel while returning, everyone was going to trains or metro, and in that tunnel everyone started shouting so randomly, and as if I felt that we were in the cave era, as if all of our ancestors were shouting, and this was an amazing experience to have. And Aussies look really chilled out. It is one of the best New Year's Eve I have ever did. So if you get a chance, please visit Sydney on the 31st and experience this yourself.